customer's super pissed, and it's annoying when the customer is pissed and they're complaining, están encabronados, and they're talking shit. They're already not even. I'll be back. What happened?
What's up, fool?
I told you, dude's gonna be here like in a fucking hour, güey. No mames.
Ahí, güey.
¿Ya lo pulieron?
No, güey.
¿Apenas le estás dando play? Pinche risa la verga.
Vámonos.
Termina la verga, ya voy. Ey, no te jugando con los pinches carros, ya dijeron los vecinos que se andan pasando en mi carro, Don't be fucking using my team.
What's your burnout?
What you got for me?
Man, I'm so excited. I just hope David doesn't find out that I'm driving this G-Wagon. Fresh Farms, thank you. Appreciate you. I'm gonna have some fun. I got a little surprise. A little surprise for today's vlog, today's little video. Even though I'm really pissed off because the guys don't hurry up, les vale madre, no se apuran. Parece que se pongan a trabajar, andan en chinga, les vale madre. I'm just gonna have to go to Home Depot and find some new guys. Porque estos güeyes, hasta la madre me tienen. Pero ahorita me voy a divertir. I need to see the view of the city. I need to see the city in a different way. And I just need to stop stressing. So I'm treating myself today to something really special. So check this out. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. Like really nervous. I don't know how nervous I am. Christian, I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Good, you should be.
I'm recording all this.
Are you?
Because if
Awesome.
something happens, Christian.
Yeah, it's my fault. I got
It's
you.
his fault. I'm nervous. I'm really, really nervous. Christian has me dying here. Because I'm a little overweight. He says there's a weight limit on this thing, but if it's 4 people, he says I'm the weight of 3. So it must be some midgets be going up in here. Because, look. You gonna pull it?
Where you going? I fucking hit the keys. I'm about to take this shit right now. Let's roll, let's roll. So we got tired of being in the hood. So we out here. Where we at?
The beach.
We're in the beach. Písale esta madre a la verga. Woo! Ooh, we got here at the beach already. We got the demon in the back right there. Hey, son.
do a donut. You're not done.
Let's take off right now.
You know, we changed our mind. We're going back up. Guys, had so much fun today. Went to Malibu, Santa Monica, Hollywood Hills, downtown. We were supposed to go to Catalina, but you know, I'm kind of a little overweight. It's windy, you know, but it's all right. I forgive you, Christian. I forgive you. I'm gonna post up his information. We had so much fun. It's affordable. Stop complaining about it. It's too expensive. It's fun as hell. It's the best life experience I ever had, and I got to do it with somebody I appreciate. I have a lot of love for. I just hate his dog because he leaves hair everywhere, but either way, we had so much fun. Thank you guys. You guys gotta check out this video. You guys are gonna love it.